Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading po ito for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Para sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, pumunta ka lang sa Facebook, search mo si Jing Tarot Reader, okay? Siya yung open sa personal reading. Ako, so far, hindi pa ako open. Pero kung mag-open ako, i-announce ko yon doon sa aking TikTok account. So, i-follow mo lang din ako sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Simulan na natin. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. This is general love reading for the sign of Virgo. Isang shuffle na lang. Okay. Let's start your reading. Okay, you do have here Drama Queen. Insatiable. Past or history and soulmate. I feel like yung iba sa inyo parang nandun pa rin yung pagkauhaw mo pagdating sa past. Parang may kulang pa rin. Parang may hinahanap ka pa rin. Like maybe something to do with your past or past person, past people sa buhay mo. I feel like you want more, okay, from this person. But, maaaring ngayon, there's this entrapment at the bottom of the deck. So, could be, kung naman yung meron ka, masaya ka naman, pero parang alam mo yon, may kulang. Kumbaga nakita ko ng pregnant woman dito. It's like paglilihi na hindi mo na nakuha or nakain. Parang ganon. So, yung feeling nun is that with regards to your person, in the past, pwedeng you still want this person. Although, with the insatiable, pwedeng you're being cold sa kanya. But, ayan, no, there's this plug. So, pwede nagkakaroon ng disconnection sa inyong dalawa ngayon, and with the obsession, nandun yung pag-iisip mo dito sa person na ito. And, you want more. You want more from this person. Hindi ka satisfied. Ngayon, punta natin yung person na to. Sino ba itong person na to? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Person of Virgo. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, person of Virgo. Desires here. You do have your intervention, anxiety. One more card. You do have here unconditional and racing. Bottom of the deck is the divine feminine, followed by waves. So, itong person na ito, definitely nandun pa rin yung love. Pero iniiwasan niya eh. Parang mahal ka niya pero kailangan kong iwasan tong nararamdaman ko sa'yo. Dapat hindi ko to dapat maramdaman. And, hindi niya rin kasi alam ang gagawin niya eh. Maybe your person is currently trapped sa isang situation na hindi niya maalisan. And there's a lot of desire for you. Gusto ka rin itong person na to, but with anxiety and intervention, natratrap kasi siya sa isang sitwasyon. Hindi niya alam kung paano aalis. Okay? And maybe may kinalaman sa mga past experiences niya sa buhay. Kaya hindi niya rin gustong alisan kung ano man ito. Kumbaga, nandun yung alam niyang wala na siyang kawala. Okay? So, ano yung emotion mo para sa person na ito? Yeah, nakikita ko yung word na suffering. So, this person is currently nagsasuffer siya sa mga nangyayari sa kanya ngayon. Parang wala siyang choice kundi ang umiwas. Emotion para sa iyo emotion mo para sa person na ito. You do have here today and karmic. Nightlife. Some of you could be dealing with your karma. Some of you, kung ikaw ay nasa isang relationship na possible na yung relationship na buo siya ng mabilisan lang. Yung parang hindi, alam mo yun, it's like, nakilala mo itong taong to, mabilisan lang, naging kayo, mabilisan lang, etc. And, it's like a lesson na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. And some of you want to throw this person away na sa buhay mo. Gusto mo nang alisan or layuan. And with the crush, yeah, you are feeling sad and broken. Kasi pwedeng yung karmic mo na ito, pwedeng hindi ka niya ma-heal or matulungan in whatever you feel like walang silbi, ganun. Some of you, yung reading is baliktad. So, take only what resonates. Ano namang emotion niya para sa'yo? Divine Masculine is here. Cleansing and Archangel Michael. Bottom of the deck is Journal. Okay, some of you, ang emotion ng taong ito sa'yo ay like what I've told you, pwedeng mahal ka niya, pero ayaw niya ng hindi magandang negativity, with the cleansing, there's a sage here. So, parang nire-remove niya or inaalis niya yung toxic. Especially if there's a karmic situation na involved dito, lalo na kung nasa side mo. Ayaw niya eh. Kailangan natin ng space because of this, because of that. No? And, anong gusto niyang mangyari? Anong gusto mangyari ng person na ito? Pop up, realization, and legal. Some of you, there's this visit. So, this person might want to visit you. I feel like gusto niyang magkaroon ng something na hindi magandang pangyayari that would lead into a legal matter or divorce. Sabihin na natin ganun. And with a drastic pagka-cut off, or if you are in a relationship, pwedeng gusto niya magka-problema yung relationship, and then gusto niya na magkaroon ng usaping legal wherein magkakaroon ng pagka-cut off or divorce here in your situation. And this person wants to see you in person. Gusto kanya makita ng personal. Gusto kanya makita ng, some kind of vacation. So, this person wants to reconcile with you during a vacation. What will happen in the near future for the sign of Virgo? Sun, rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. In the near future for Virgos. Access granted is here. Financial support, grip, and divine feminine. Clarify the grip, please. Come together. More on financial ang nakikita natin dito, and in the near future there's this mas matibay, mas malakas. The grip is showing to me as a strength card. Mas matibay, mas malakas na sa usaping pinansyal. There's this energy na maraming pintuan ang mag-open for you. A lot of opportunities. Some of you contracts, I can see you na may mga kontrata na pipirmahan. Divine feminine is here, so you will look so pretty, beautiful in the near future. More luxurious. So, pwedeng maipakita mo yung, especially if you really do like fashion. So, maaaring mailabas mo ito. Or, there's a certain style na marami ang makakapansin sa'yo. Okay? Regarding love, in the near future, what will happen para sa mga Virgos? You do have here love and commitment. Twin flame and crickets is here. TikTok. If you're dealing with a twin flame, nakakita tayo dito ng love sa isa't isa. And in the near future, kahit wala kayong usap-usap na nangyayari, there's going to be a commitment na mangyayari sa inyong dalawa. And malapit na to eh. TikTok is here. So, it's like magugulat ka na lang. Wala kayong action na ginagawa sa isa't isa, but there's going to be a future between the two of you together. Sabihin na nating mali because there's this forbidden love with the tragedy. Pero both of you will be happy. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng sense na mabubuo yung connection na ito kahit walang usap na nangyayari. and you do have your love affair. So, even though there's a third party situation, regardless, I can see family. I can see both of you being together in the near future. Ayan. Kahit walang, that is weird. Paano mangyayari yun? I don't know, kasi divine timing na yung gumagawa ng paraan. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.